Doing good, Chance. Whoops. Trying to keep you in the picture. You're fine. Doing good. Careful. Good boy. Don't go in the ditch. You got it. You're pulling me, Bubby. Look at you go. Get a longer leash next time. Okay, down to the gate. Chance, let's go. Good boy. Uphill. Just make sure your legs are not dragging. Hold on. Okay. Whoop, don't fall. Call him. Go. There you go. Your legs are suspended. You got it, sweetie.